this video we are going to do exercise of chapter number 8, the proud princess. First we will do question answer. So here the first question is, what was the reason for the king's sadness? What was the reason for the king's sadness? प्रिंसेस के जो फादर थे, जो किंग थे, उनके उदास रहने का क्या कारण था? Her daughter was very proud and rude, which made her father, the king, very sad. उनकी जो पुत्री थी, उनकी जो प्रिंसेस थी, राजकुमारी थी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा रूड थी, अशिष्ट थी, प्राउड मीन्स घमंडी थी. इस वजह से वो सैड रहते थे, उदास रहते थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वाई डिड द किंग बिकम एंग्री? वाई डिड द किंग बिकम एंग्री? राजा क्यों गुस्सा हो गए थे? द किंग बिकेम एंग्री विथ हर डॉटर when she made fun of a prince who had come to marry her. किंग अपनी डॉटर से, अपनी प्रिंसेस से नाराज़ हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो जो प्रिंस, जो राजकुमार उससे शादी के लिए उन्होंने बुलाया होता है, इनवाइट किया होता है, उसका वो मजाक बनाती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, व्हाट डिड ही डिसाइड टू डू? राजा जो थे उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया, क्या निर्णय लिया, क्या निर्णय लिया था? He decided to do that he would not invite any more princes but marry her off to the first beggar who came to the palace gates. उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया था कि अब वो किसी भी राजा को, किसी भी राजकुमार को शादी के लिए निमंत्रण नहीं देंगे, और बल्कि अब से जो भी पहला भिखारी पैलेस गेट के, महल के गेट के बाहर आएगा, उसी से उसकी जो प्रिंसेस थी उसकी शादी करवा देंगे. He decided to do that he would not invite any more princes but marry her to the first beggar who came to the palace gates. Now next question is, to whom was the princess married? To whom was the princess married? प्रिंसेस की शादी किसके साथ की गई थी? आंसर इज, द प्रिंसेस मैरिड विद अ beggar. प्रिंसेस की शादी एक भिखारी के साथ की गई थी. Next question is, where did the beggar find a job for his wife? Where did the beggar find a job for his wife? beggar ने एक जॉब पाया होता है अपने वाइफ के लिए. वो कहाँ पे पाया होता है, कहाँ उसको मिलता है? The beggar found a job for his wife in the castle on the hill. The beggar found a job for his wife in the castle on the hill. Next question is, what made Anne fall on her knees? Anne को किस वजह से अपने घुटनों के बल आना पड़ता है? What made Anne fall on her knees? Anne fell on her knees when she got to know that the beggar was actually Prince Alec, who had come to her palace disguised as a beggar. एन को जब ये पता चलता है कि जो बेगर है जिससे उसकी शादी हुई थी वो वास्तव में बेगर नहीं बल्कि प्रिंस एलेक है, जो बेगर बनकर उसके पैलेस में आए थे. एन फेल on her knees when she got to know that the beggar was actually Prince Alec, who had come to her palace disguised as a beggar. Next question is, fill in the blanks. So according to the story, you have to fill this blank. Once upon a time there was a princess whose name was, क्या नाम था? Anne. Once upon a time there was a princess whose name was Anne. Next one is, the beggar took dash to a broken hut which was to be her home. The beggar took Anne to a broken hut which was to be her home. The princess hid behind the dash to watch. The princess hid behind the curtains to watch. Next question is, use of pronouns. In place of the underlined words, use appropriate pronouns. Example, the princess was very proud. So, at the place of noun, we use pronouns. So we will use she. She was proud. Similarly, we have to do all these sentences. We remove noun and we will add pronoun. The king was very angry with the princess. The king was very angry with the princess. Here, the king, instead of writing the king, we will add he. He was very angry with the princess. Next one is the beggar came to the palace gate. The beggar came to the palace gate. Beggar की जगह हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे he. He came to the palace gate. Next one is Prince Alec wanted to marry Princess Anne. He wanted to marry Princess Anne. The girl did not know the beggar's identity. The girl, she did not know the beggar's identity. Again, the princess asked the prince to forgive the princess. She asked him to forgive her. Now, note down your homework. In homework, you have to do this question. Rewrite the underlined word using pronouns. Pronouns का यूज़ करके आपको ये सेंटेंस बनाना है. For example, Tom passed the exam. Instead of writing Tom, we will add he worked hard. Tom की जगह हम दूसरे सेंटेंस में he लगाएंगे. Next one is the boys were punished. The boys were lazy. The beggar has a wooden leg. The beggar came to us yesterday. Meena lost her bag. Meena's mobile was inside the bag. Seema has many friends. Seema likes to play with her friends. So this is your homework you have to do in your notebook. Next homework is find the opposites of following words from the chapter. Chapter से इन words का opposite आपको ढूंढने हैं. Like humble, polite, ugly, evening, cruel, rich, in front of, displeased, carelessly. So children, find out opposite of following words and write them in your English notebook. So children, for today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.